Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking perspective, so draw a horizon and a single vanishing point. This makes the crewmate read as 3D. Next, place a vertical oval for the torso, tilted about 10 to 15 degrees toward the vanishing point because foreshortening cells depth. Once done, add a light guideline for the center axis and mark where the backpack sits, roughly 1/3 from the top. Make sure to keep lines loose. These shapes become the scaffold for volume and proportion. Now you model volume. Convert the oval into 2 overlapping ellipses, one for the front plane, one for the side, because that intersection implies thickness. Then block the legs as simple rounded rectangles and taper toward the feet. This gives weight. For the visor, draw an ellipse and tilt it to match your perspective lines, then inset a thinner highlight ellipse to imply glass. Once those forms read correctly, connect edges with softer curves so the character reads as a cohesive 3D object. Finish by deciding light direction. Top left works well, then apply core shadow under the body, a subtle cast under each leg, and a faint rim light on the opposite edge to separate form from background. Clean your line work by erasing construction lines and strengthening the final outline selectively. Thinner lines for highlights, thicker for shadowed edges. Add a bright specular on the visor and a soft gradient across the body. If proportions look off, nudge the backpack or slightly scale the legs until balance is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.